Good morning everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to register as a partner with TIOmarkets. It's a simple and straightforward process, so let's get started. First, head over to TIOmarkets.com. Once there, navigate to the Partners section and select Sign Up. Next, you'll see a registration form. Fill it out with your personal information, including your first and last name. After completing the form, click Register. Shortly after, you'll receive a verification email. Be sure to check your spam folder just in case. Open the email and confirm your registration by clicking on the provided link. Once confirmed, our team will review your application. You'll receive an email letting you know that your client portal is ready. At this stage, you're not yet a partner, just a client with a wallet ID. Now, log into your client portal using your wallet ID or the email and password you selected during registration. Inside the client portal, you'll need to complete your profile. This includes providing your title, name, country, address, and other necessary details. Next, fill out your financial information. The final step is to upload your identification documents to verify your account. This includes proof of identity, like a passport or ID, and proof of address, such as an electricity, water, or phone bill, or a bank statement. After uploading these documents, we'll check them and if everything is okay, verify your account. You will then receive an email to complete your registration as a partner where you will need to click the link to complete. You can also click on Become an Affiliate from within your portal and complete the form. Once verified, you'll receive another email with your partner ID and password and someone from our team will be in contact with you. Now, let's log into your partner portal. Come back to the Partners page to log in, enter your partner ID and password, and then click Login. In your partner portal, you'll find a personalized referral link to share with your potential clients. When someone clicks on this link and registers for a trading account, they will be tracked back to you as the referring partner. You can track everything related to your referring activity here. This includes your clients, their trading volume, your commissions and payouts. To support our partners in promoting our services effectively, we've introduced a dedicated marketing tab within the Partners section. Browse through our extensive collection of banners that come with an embedded referral link unique to your partner account. This means that any visitor clicking on the banner will be automatically directed to our site with your referral link included. This seamless integration ensures that you get credited for every referral without any extra steps. Once you've selected a banner, simply copy the provided HTML code snippet. Paste this code into the desired location on your website. The banner will appear on your site and will be fully functional with your referral link. That's it. Register as a partner today, and we'll be waiting for you on the other side.